back. I didn't bother to wake me up. Sister! 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 Hi. Oh, by this time she's not back. Let's some food. Sister, what are you doing?
Hey, I know you must be worried about me.
You got me really worried.
I am fine. As you can see, I am fine. Oh?
Sister, I was really worried. Besides, why are you not picking up your call? I called you several times.
My phone is on silent. I just didn't want anybody to disturb me. I need to finish up this job.
Did you even check time at all?
Mbao. Hey, Cheru. Jesus. Hey! Time again. But I still need to finish up this thing. I need to finish it. Eh?
Sister, so you are here. You mean to tell me that you didn't check time and you don't know when it's past 7 your closing time? Sister, why are you doing like this now?
The person that owns this cloth will be coming to pick it up first thing in the morning because she needs it for a function. So I have to finish it.
I'm sure this thing can wait till tomorrow, sister. You can come early in the morning and do this thing. Eh? This is past 10.
In a way, you're right. I think you should go home. Eh? Just let me sleep here and finish up this thing. Then tomorrow morning I'll come back.
Sister, you know you're not allowing me to sleep here. I'm not going to allow you to sleep here again. This is not right now. Sister, you're stressing yourself and it's not
Look
right.
at what is remaining. Just these buttons. Sister, let me... Come teacher, no button, no.
Sister, let's go.
You don't understand what I'm saying.
Sister,
see, only one one. The person that owns this cloth will come and take it tomorrow.
Sister, don't fight me.
This is the thing that you don't like. I don't like the way you came and dragged me from the shop this night. It's open. I don't like it. You act as if I don't pay rent in that shop. I'm at what's up?
Sister, it's not as if I'm dragging ownership of shop or something. What I'm saying is, you're overworking yourself and it's not good. Don't do wrong, my sister. You leave the house as early as 7 a.m. and you come back beyond 7 p.m. Why now?
Onyi, I have bills to pay. And very soon now, you will come to ask for money. Where do you think I make money from?
Sister, I am here today all thanks to you. Now I can fend for myself. So what are you overworking yourself for?
So that my children will not go hungry in future. That is why.
Sister, I got children. Do you even have a boyfriend? Listen.
God's time is the best.
Sister, go and Jomwege. Nothing like God's time here. You should try and accept someone in your life. Yeah, bro, if a God's time, sister. Yeah, bro, if a God's time at all.
Okay, Onyi. It has moved from me coming back late to not having a man up here. Because I'm not in the mood for that conversation this night. And I'm very tired. I'm famished. I want to eat, rest, and then think about the jobs I'm going to take up tomorrow. Nania. Don't say anything again. I don't talk while I'm eating.
Sister, you know Mazukanta.
You know, fame no man no Gigi better no.
sure I call the right number. Tony. So Tony has been cheating on me. Tony has been cheating on me. Tony has been cheating on me. No. This must be a joke. What should I do? Should I call him back? No. I don't know what to do. Maybe I should just go to his place tomorrow. What is this? This could be a sister. It is not a sister. Hello?
Chineke, open this door because you're beginning to get on my nerves, so open this door.
Where are you going to by this time, sister?
Are you mad? You're not going on yet? But you have had my back and I'm ready to go to work. Open this door.
You are going to work by 6:30. 6:30 a.m. Sister, you're not going anywhere. It's not 7 a.m. yet. Lie down on the bed and go and sleep.
Jesus. Maka Chineke, if I come out of this room, you will not find it funny. You will not find it funny at all. Open this door.
What's wrong in trying to protect my sister's mental health? Sister, you need enough rest. You can't be going to shop so early. You're not a robot.
Hey! Who asked you? Who asked you? Do you know that I have people's clothes that I need to finish this morning because they will come and collect it. I need to be at the shop by this time so I can finish it.
The clients can wait. You're not leaving this room till it's 7 a.m. sharp. I've said my own and that's on period. If you're ready, you call me. I want to go and take my bath now.
You want to go and bathe? That bathing water will drown you. You are right. Obakuchuzo. As in she entered her room and banged the door. Oh! When you come and open this door! My man is under pressure! I'm under pressure! Open this door now!
Hey, sister. Good morning. How's the night?
Yeah, How dare you? Something is wrong with you. Eh? How dare I can see this your childishness, you are taking it too far. I don't blame you. You don't know what it means or how we make money. You sit down and eat another person's sweat. That is why you think you can do anything you like. In fact, I don't want to see you in my house by the time I come back. I don't now. If you don't leave this house by the time I come back, I'm here also, yeah?
Sister, has it gotten to that?
Yes! It has gotten to that. It has gotten to that. You cannot live in my house and then dictate to me how to live my life in Hapuala. If I come back here and I still see you, you will see the other side of me. Rubbish.
I'm not going anywhere. Is this not my sister's house? You come back and push me out now. Come back and not my blood sister can know. I'm not going anywhere.
What? Babe. Who is she? So it's true. The voice I heard when I called.
Babe, it's not what you think.
Babe, hold on. Who is she? What is wrong with you? I don't understand.
I'm okay. I need to sort this out.
Sort what out, babe? No, sort what out now? What am I to you?
You're my girlfriend.
Then, who is she?
Thank God you have not gone left. Thank God you have not left yet. Oh. Thank God you have not left yet.
Sister, what is
trouble?
it? What is it? What happened?
Trouble. Oh God.
Sister, talk now. What happened?
Yeah, I was robbed.
Hey!
I was robbed.
How now?
I don't know. I was sleeping. When I woke up, my bag was gone. My phone was gone. My ATM, my money, everything inside the bag gone.
Your account?
No, hey, I don't know how to do it.
Hey! I hope they've not stolen your money, oh. Wait, let me check. Hey! Press your account number. See your account number. Let me block it ASAP. Hey! Now, wow.
Hey! Uni, are you sure? Are you sure? Jesus.
You see? Sister, you see? You see what I'm telling you? You cannot cheat nature. But I'll be advising you. You think I'm being rude or something. Eh? Try and get enough rest before you go to shop. Imankwe.
Hey! What if this person had harmed me? Yeah, thank God no pass off phone.
No worry. Sister, I'm always telling you, you cannot cheat nature. You cannot cheat nature. You should sleep well before you go to work. You think I'm maltreating you or something. Eh? You are very lucky you have a sister like me. Because, I don't know. Sorry, you're not too happy, at least. You're lucky enough, it's just flashlight phone that's though.
Did you just call my phone useless?
No. You are that button. It's useless now. It's not that button phone.
You may go on that button phone they receive every day. I don't blame you at all. See, as long as my customers are connecting with me on that phone, leave it for me. I'm okay with it. Leave it. I'm not complaining.
Sister, there's more to smartphone than just making calls. Sister, okay, this is your fashion business now. Do you know if you start posting it on Instagram, do you know you start having more customers? Even celebrities will start patronizing you. And you can often start for different styles, all those trendy styles.
Oni, I have magazines that I buy anytime I want to see international style in Anuya. It's not as if I don't know about smartphone. But when will I have the time to use it? Is it when I am sewing that I will not have time to be pressing phone? You know that is the problem with your generation. All you do is buy things that you don't need. Yes, wasting money. Wasting money that would have been used to do other things. Money that you would have invested and turned over. You worry, I go to phone. Phone, you go moto. And happy. Please, just leave me. I don't call the
Sister, do you know this thing you're saying now is just a trick for you to be more stingy to yourself? Now. Because why will you call smartphone as financial mistake? Okay, this your phone that they stole now. And your ATM and everything. If not for this smartphone, they would have stolen they would have stolen your money in your account. Sister? Anyways, should be thankful you have a sister like me. If not, Ego Gala, you beat up from the beginning. And it's not right.
My problem is that I was saying earlier that maybe the guy that stole, that it was a guy that stole my money. With you could get the cushion and use.
How now?
Cushion online. Ogene, I heard you shouting at somebody on the phone and crying too. When you're there, who was that?
Sister is Tony. Sister is Tony.
Tony, as in your man?
Yes, sister Tony. I caught Tony on the bed with a woman. Sister, I can't believe Tony has been making a fool of me. Sister, I love Tony.
Jirinwayo.
Sister, I love Tony.
Jirinwayo. Listen. He hasn't been making a fool of you. He has been making a fool of himself. In Anuya, you were a good woman to him. You gave him your best. In fact, you gave him your all. You gave him attention. And he decided to pay you back like this. So don't worry. Allow God to punish him. In fact, to deal with him in his own way. You know, God, it is okay.
Sister, it's not that easy to do.
You are going to forget about it.
Sister, it's not easy to forget.
Yes, it might seem it's not easy. It might seem it's not easy at all.
Sister,
but just give him time. Give it time. Few days and you will forget about him. Eh? In fact, delete his number.
Sister, it's not that easy.
It is not easy, but you will do it because it is the best for him.
Sister, I love Tony. Sister, Tony cheated on me. Sister, Tony cheated on me.
It is okay. Nanya, if you block him everywhere, it will be very hard for him to disturb you. And once he stops disturbing you, you will forget about it. It is easy. Tony,
Sister, we're meant to get married. Sister,
it is better for you to cry as a girlfriend than to cry as a wife.
Sister, I made plans with him already. We are supposed to get married and have kids. Sister, you are still on bed. It's 8 AM already.
Forget that. See here. I've been thinking about what you said. And after that experience I had, I will never wake up that early again to go to work. I will wake up by 8 AM. In fact, 8 alcohol. Medita. I will sleep well so that I won't have any reason to go and be sleeping in the shop.
Now you're beginning to reason with me. I promise you, when you go to work now, you got how productive you're gonna be.
Yes, so I believe you. I believe you. I mean, I don't even understand why I was stressing myself. Eh? Why? Mobu CEO. I am the CEO, I am the owner of the shop. It's not as if anybody will flog me if I go to work late. Eh? No, never stress myself like that again. Do you even know the worst thing? The client that owns that clothes, that made me leave very early, that made me stress myself. Do you know she did not come to pick her clothes? And up to today, she has not called. Or after everything I went through because of her. I will not try it again because I'll be sleeping well these days, man.
Can you imagine? That's a woman that made you ask me to leave your house. Speaking of that, she asked me to leave your house. I want to go and pack my bag soon.
Try it. Why? If they bomb you well, try it. Just try it. Don't even try it though. Anyway, so sorry about that day. Listen, you will not understand. The pressure was just too much. But it's okay. You, as if you were planning to go anywhere. Think I don't know. Go and sit down.
I was going to leave.
Leave there. Stay under the bridge.
So sleep on that. Anyways, apology not fully accepted yet. Until you buy me rice and chicken in one expensive restaurant with chilled Fanta or Coke before I fully accept the apology.
Okay. Go and get breakfast first for me. After eating, I'll go to the shop. Then when you come, we'll discuss about that one. We'll not know how much it will cost and how much you are bringing to the table.
You are jotting down again. Sister Ibiakwa. Just more enjoyment I want to do now. You've already brought another.
Not on my money, because go and bring breakfast for me. You know what? Let me rest. Oh, never try that nonsense again. Well done. Welcome. What can I do for you?
I see you don't remember me. My name is Tony.
I know a lot of Tonys. Which one are you?
I'm Tony, your sister's boyfriend.
Oh. So, you are the Tony. Tony the dog. Okay?
It's not like that. You see, your sister didn't give me a chance to explain things to her.
And you came here to explain to me as what?
As my girlfriend's sister. You know, I'm a very honest person. I didn't walk him over me.
It's fine, it's fine. Oh, so you really came here to explain yourself to me? Yes. That is good. Just make yourself comfortable. Let me get a seat for you, okay?
Ma?
I said, make yourself comfortable while I get a seat for you. And don't you dare call me Ma again. Don't make me feel older than my age.
Okay.
Just stay there. Let me get a seat for you.
Hey! What's that for? That's painful.
Oh, really? It's painful, right? Very good. That's exactly what I want. I want you to feel that pain so that you can imagine the pain my sister felt the day she saw you with another woman. Do you know she was heartbroken? And do you know how painful heartbreak is? Do you know?
I totally understand how you feel. I'm really sorry.
My friend, if you do not get out of this place this minute, I will give you another shot. I said get out of here, Chineke Akpogoku. Uzunran. I know here Chineke Brono. Fool. Mpi. Dina Barora. Hey. Not even that he's even fine, sir. That is why I said I will not have anything to do with any man. That's why I said it. Because some of these men, they don't have sense. Some of them, they don't have sense at all. No matter how good you are to them, no matter what you do for them, they will still break your heart and look for another girl. And they will even add insult to injury by going for a girl that is lower in standard in everything than you. I'm not fair. Goat. This my sister self needs to know how to choose men. They go to you. Ay, Jesus.
Now that you slept well before coming to work today, how do you feel about it?
Oni, you are a lifesaver. Honestly, I am so full of energy. I can work from now till tomorrow morning.
No, sister, that's what I'm talking about. You are not working till early morning. You are closing by 7 p.m. and I will make sure of that.
Oni, Ibiakwa. I have work to do. I have people's clothes too. So, you can't have all the police.
Oh, please, sister. You are a human and not a robot. You should learn to enjoy yourself. Speaking of enjoyment, I think you should actually take a day off from work. We go to the house, we cook rice, buy wine, enjoy, sister. Life my one so.
Cook rice, buy wine, no Christmas. I don't understand. Mercy. We take out one day. One whole day, not doing anything. Hey, Mbano, you know it will not happen, This can only happen maybe if I am sick or on Sundays.
Okay, sister. You and I know you come to work on Sundays, even when the Bible condemns it. And Speaking of sickness, do you remember the day you ran off from the hospital with cannula in your veins just to come and work? Sister, do up one mouth.
Man, Tam, you will not blame you. Eh? Listen, I have people's clothes to deliver. And, you know, my work is so time demanding. I can't help it.
Sister, nothing is time demanding. It's you that is giving it your time. Just why I gave that nonsense Tony my time and he dealt with me.
Speaking of Tony, he was here earlier today.
What? What did he come to do?
I don't know. I was surprised to see him. But don't worry. I gave him a piece of my mind. I also gave him pain and he ran away.
Very good.
How
dare him?
Mananne.
Sister.
You don't have taste when it comes to men. They go do no, so this is the Tony one. Eh?
Sister, I think you jazz me. I don't know
what I jazz. Eh? Yeah, now I'm working with sense. They go do this man. Do you know that guy? Eh? I me 1 billion I go dodge.
Sister, please.
Please.
I have money.
Look at how fine you are.
He was taking care of me.
He was gonna.
Babe, I know you are angry. We need to talk things out.
I came to return the filthy ring you gave to me.
Okay. About this. Okay, I know you're not happy with me because of what happened, because of what you saw. I can assure you it will never happen again.
Of course. Because the scenario would never happen again. Because I will not be there. And now that I have nothing of you in my possession, the next time I'll see you in my sister's shop again, just be ready for whatever that will happen to you that day. Because it will not be funny.
Babe, please. Can we just think this through? I know that you're mad at me. I know that you want to break up with me, but I don't blame you. It's my fault, okay? Whatever it is that you saw here, I promise you it will never happen again. Please give us a second chance. Please.
Tony, there's nothing to discuss again. I'm done with you. You're a bloody womanizer, and I have nothing to do with you again.
Babe.
Don't touch me.
Babe, please.
Why are you like this now? Eh? Why?
I'm sorry,
Why
sister.
did you just leave like that and you didn't even tell me where you were going?
Sister, I was overwhelmed with what you said about him. So I remembered I had this ring with me, so I had to go return it. And sister, please, do well to break his head when he comes here next time.
I should break his head for you. Then I will go and cool my bum inside police cell where you are sitting pretty, feeling grateful. Okay?
I don't mean it that way, sister.
You have tried very well. But no, thank you. Anyway, Pico, pass me that food that is remaining in that plate. Let me eat. I'm so hungry.
No, sister. Why not? The food I just came back to come and eat. Why are you doing like this now?
I'm so hungry now. I've not eaten since morning. Eh? Just give me the food. Oh?
Sister, give me money. Let me go and buy food for you now. Eh? You have money. Let me go and buy you food.
Which money? You have collected the 1,500 naira that is in my bag. So which money again are you talking about?
It's only 1,500 you have. Sister, you have ATM card. Give me your card. Let me go and withdraw money for you and buy you food. Must it be my own? I'm very hungry.
Atangi, I don't blame you at all because you don't know how hard it is to make money.
Sister, nothing is hard. You
yeah.
have that money.
Just 2 spoons.
Sister, you're not eating anything. I'm eating it alone. You are very stingy for yourself. Do you know life is once? Enjoy your money, your sister. Enjoy your money now. Flex,
you know I don't
sister.
blame you. I would have eaten this food when you went out. It was just that I was worried about you.
I mean, I'm very caring about you.
open the door. Onyi! Onyi, can you please open the door? Onyi, I'm not leaving here until you open this door.
Sister, I want to go and make my hair. What side do you think I should do?
Scrape it. Open some boy.
Sister, now I'm trying to be serious here.
I'm serious here now. Cut the hair because this your hair is I'm spending so much money on it. Yeah? Boy, I can zurike. If you cut it off, I will rest.
Sister, it's like you don't know I'm a big girl and you want me to cut my hair.
Okay.
Besides, this your hair you are combing like this. It's not old enough. It's not time for you to change it. Sister, do you know since when you bought it? I can remember.
Am I complaining? Or is the hair bad? Hair that I take care of.
Sister, this hair is old enough.
Leave that
thing.
thing.
Peter, you see the trending things.
Do you know when I bought this hair? Do you know how much I bought it? Do you know how I saved to buy it? Now, have you seen the prices of hair lately? The other time I walked into that shop opposite my own, you see 500,000 as in a mua or 2 and no. I will not count 500,000. Google dia, 500. I will not carry it and give somebody. Onarum, where is him? Nadia is not about as mugu. I will not try it.
Sister, say you're calling 500,000 as if it's
Memia.
Sister, 500,000 is very small. If you're an Instagram kita, let me give you my smartphone. You will see all those trendy styles, all those deep wave, coin wave, all those things. Sister, that's the trendy things happening now.
500,000? Why would 500,000 not be small for you? No, it's always easy for people that don't make money to spend money. Yes! When the magic happen too far about you. No, so if I count 500,000 now and go and buy a hair, I'll not use your eyeballs to pay your school fees up here. So, I'm going to 500,000 now to go and buy hair. Then we'll now have fried wig for dinner. Akuya? Wig for dinner.
I'm only giving sister the advice because I want to be trendy.
Yeah,
sister, you start getting expensive hair on your head.
I'm trendy.
Do you know the kind of big men that will be stopping you?
Oh yeah. The one on your head. How many big men have you brought here?
Sister, because I want to make my hair now.
Go away from here, please. Let me hear what.
Sister, I'm only giving you advice.
Bro, when you bramusu. You know what? I don't blame you. You have not brought 1 naira into this house. The only thing you know how to do is to spend it. Please leave the hair for me. I like it. That is why I'm doing it. You see, come on, can you
Hey, bro, easy. Bro, easy. You want to easy now? What's the meaning of this now, Baba? No, what is this? Sorry. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, I need your help with something. I need this to be fixed. I was in an altercation with someone and it fell off, and I'm actually going for a function.
Okay, just walk across the street. There's someone there that can help you with it.
What's your tailor?
Stylist.
Sorry.
Besides, I'm very busy and the person in question is in a better position to help you mend your clothes.
Look, this is a uniform and I'm actually in a fixed. I'm in a haste. So please just help me out. I will pay anything.
Fine. Let
Thank
me
you.
see it.
Thank you. Here. Yes.
Okay.
Should I sit?
No, don't worry. I just want to be fast about it.
Okay. Okay, so should I take it off?
No. This will be faster. But please, you have to stand still. Please.
Are you sure this is fine?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll be careful. Just don't move. Please.
How much?
Don't worry about it. It's just a bit. Just stay still, please.
Sister, say something. Sister, say something now. Say something about my movie. I'm just there staring at me.
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
Compliment me, sister.
Compliment you on what? On squandering my money? Because as I'm looking at you, all I am seeing is my money that you are wasting to look good and exceptional for God knows who.
Sister, a woman looking good does not mean he's looking for a man or something. You need to look good for yourself. So that every man and Odogo will come for you.
No, continue. Continue wasting my money fixing lashes and hair. Come and help me in the shop. You will not come. The only thing you do is just stay and squander my money. Ogo.
Every time work. Since you make it a point of duty to work and not chop your money, then me, I've also made it a point of duty to chop your money for you. That's on your investments.
Continue. Continue. Just pray that you will end up with a man that is willing to maintain this lifestyle for you. Yes, a man that is able, in fact, capable of spending your money the way you squander and chop my money in this shop.
Sister, you're talking as if you don't even trust me again. Of course, I won't settle for less.
Oh, yeah.
My husband must be filthy rich. You know what I'm saying?
Easier said than done.
Sister, you know easier said. I'm certain about it. It's a must that an Odogo will look for me.
Okay.
Well, sister, You know what the time says now? I came for us to start going on.
And you have not asked me if I am done working.
Sister, you want this work again?
See, I would have even finished this cloth since if not that a man came here and wanted me to mend his torn clothes because he was going for a funeral.
Yeah.
If hey!
Sister, I don't understand. You not tell me I need to do now. Like you didn't see all those aboki people that used to pass. Why your shop?
Even Dua would not be able to do that cloth. Dua would not be able to mend the cloth the way I did. He needed a professional touch so that after doing it, the tear will not be noticed. And that was exactly what I did.
Did you fight in the burial or what?
Ojeru go burial.
Oh,
unless you fought with the spirit on the way.
Hey, sister, was it not that I forgot this anki here?
Hey, Uchimo, he's the one. Hi.
Oh,
It's better for him to come and pick it up, or else after 1 week, I'll throw it away. Okay, you should better. Keep it there before somebody will mistakenly use it as a rag. No, you don't like work, but you like to chop my money.
Should I get to your phone?
Just put it on silent. You must be one of my customers. There's no point answering the phone now since I will be going to the shop. Hi.
Should I take you to the hospital?
Huh?
Yes, no, the temperature is cold.
When I know what is wrong with me. Oh, just buy money and buy French fruits for me. More higher, I'll be able to take it out of the fridge.
Okay, sister, if you insist, just be fine for me, eh? You can get the job.
When you're coming back, buy fruits. I will go do banana, small banana, so that I can have something in my stomach before taking the drugs. So.
Banana? To take medicine? No, sister, you said you know it's not right. Don't worry, I'll buy pepper soup ingredients. I'll prepare pepper soup for you. Very hot one. If you eat it hot once,
whose money do you want to use? Whose money do you want to use to buy the pepper soup?
Your money now, our money.
No, don't use my money to buy the pepper soup.
Sister, you're not feeling fine. This money you're saving is for who?
Go take granite. Okay, even if you want banana, I'm going to 500.
Sister, okay. I'm not buying banana. I'm buying pepper soup.
Don't use my money to buy
it. I'll better pepper soup for you. You eat pepper soup and you'll be well.
Jesus Christ, hey, Bia, don't use my money to buy pepper soup. Oh. Hey, Jesus, how did I even get to know this girl? Hey, why Eribum? In fact, the way I am feeling now is as if I've recovered. It was so nice. Chai!
Obviously. I'm not kicking very well.
Hey! Maybe this was what I needed all along. Thank you. You have tried. Thank you.
Sister, you're not thanking me. But when I was telling you to bring money, let me cook pepper soup for you, Ikwechili. Just more money I works for me. You're already complaining. When will you ever stop complaining about money, sister?
You are very correct. God, when? When will I stop complaining about money? Hey!
Sister, God when? God when, sister? Wait though. Sister, so you finish the pepper soup?
You were expecting me to keep for you. You are not serious.
Oh,
you are not serious at all.
Sister, I thought you were sick.
I heard you. No. Meanwhile, can you go? So all that money I gave you, is this small pepper soup that he was able to cook?
No, but you just confirmed the pepper soup. It was so delicious. I bought expensive. You never got this ingredient, sister. I went very far to buy this expensive ingredient just to prepare this pepper soup for you, so you get well.
I'm very sure you have downloaded half of it while you were cooking. You don't come and talk and follow. Thank God I finished it. Because my heart was actually telling me to keep for you, but to be more, I go back 1.5 more.
But sister, you're not trying. You're not trying. It should have been meant for me.
Welcome back to my shop.
Yeah, thank you. I came by the other day and I noticed that your store was closed.
Oh yes. I wasn't feeling too well. That's why.
Oh really? I'm sorry. Are you okay now?
Yes, and that is why I'm back to work.
Oh, I see. Your job must be really stressful.
It is. Sometimes we even sleep over in the shop just to make sure we don't disappoint a client.
Sleep over? These things will be affecting your health.
You sound like my sister right now.
Oh, you have a sister?
So, sir, what can I do for you?
Okay, yeah, I noticed that the last time I came here, I must have forgotten my handkerchief. I don't know if you saw it.
Yes, I saw it.
Oh.
I nearly threw it away.
Ah, no, you are going to pay for it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Washed it for you.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Thank you very much. You're such a beautiful soul.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, my manners. My name is Obina.
Mercy.
Mercy. Mercy, can I take you for lunch tomorrow?
Sorry, I'm actually very busy. And I would like to go back to my work. So, have a nice day, sir.
So, sister, how is it?
Yeah. You know me, I don't know how to describe men. All I know is that he's fair and tall. He's tall. That's it.
That's all we need. From this definition now, I guess he's very handsome.
I don't know about that one. All I know is that he is a human being that was created by God in his image and his likeness.
Sister, that's what I'm saying now. He's handsome, no doubt. So,
get it.
The discussion you have between now, you don't discuss anything.
I was busy with work. I did not have time to discuss anything with anybody. No, I went to work to discuss.
Sister, let me advise you. Let me tell you something. It's that time you settle down with a man now. He has was quite funny. You should settle down with someone now.
So that what will happen? So that the person will mess my life up the way Tony messed yours, okay? No. Capital no. In fact, only leave this conversation. Let's talk about something else apart from men.
Well, but at least you should have just collected his number or something. You have to have one.
Oh yeah, what will I collect his number? He's the one that collected mine. I'm not collecting number.
That's what I want to hear. At least he collected your number, right? Okwabugono. He will definitely call you. Let us watch out.
I gave him my number because of business. Yes, I gave him my number so that if he has business, he will contact me. Each of any house, or you start thinking something else. Go on because every time you're just hammering on men. As if you don't know that I'm not interested.
You should give birth to, so you need that man in your life because I want to carry your children. You should born before me now, sister. Oh, yeah.
Hello? Who is this? Huh? Are you a customer or what? See, you know what? Just come to the shop here if I have any business with you. And be content anytime. You always watch the time you call somebody. You can't be calling somebody in the middle of the night because bye bye. Hey, Oni, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Sister, me that even stopped working since because of hunger. I've just been sitting here staring at you to know if you even think the same.
Is there any time that you're not hungry? Anytime they mention food, you are hungry. Eh? I thought you were watching your weight.
Yeah, which weight? Sister, begging you.
You see which weight?
I'm not even fat yet.
See this one. Yes. Your hand. Later. Very soon it will turn to Christian mother hand. So you still want to eat? Oh. Take this money, eh? Go and buy buns, 100 naira, then pure water. Go.
Wait, though, sister. This pure water and buns, I hope it's not our lunch money.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
No, you that is talking, how much have you made today? Sister, how much have you made today that you want to eat like a king?
Sister, why are we doing like this now? Why would you want to eat buns and this thing for lunch? You know what? I'll be going outside and I'm buying a plate of rice. 500 naira for 2.
It's again.
To buy buns.
I try when I try you.
Sister, I'm not buying.
Don't finish that money, yo. You know what? This girl thinks that this is how I spend money. She thinks I spend all my money on food because she does not know how hard it is to make money. Oh, she thinks this is how I save to pay her school fees. Hey, why are you doing shop? Why are you doing shop? Oh, chim.
Hi.
You again?
Yes, me again.
The last time you came here, you did not forget your handkerchief. So, what are you doing here?
I came to formally introduce myself to you. And also to tell you my name once again, that my name is Obinna Ukadike. I was the young man who called you last night, whom you said you did not know.
Oh, that was you.
Mm-hmm.
You should know the proper time to call someone. That was really late. Besides, you shouldn't feel a type of way if I said I didn't know who you were. I mean, I didn't take your number. So, how was I supposed to know you were the one calling?
That is why I decided to come with this. The sweet red wine. Take. Yes, so that next time you would know who's calling you.
A bottle of wine?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really necessary?
Yes, it is. I mean, you're a very special person. And I don't want to call you on the phone and next time you have to ask me who is calling.
What do you really want from me?
I guess we'll talk about that on the phone. As for now, have a wonderful day. I'll call you. Please pick your call.
What am I seeing? Hey, what a sweet gentleman. Sister, why do you always meet this man whenever he's here? Why? I need to meet this gentleman. He's too nice.
Don't touch this wine. Don't touch it at all. Because you don't know the marine kingdom he brought this wine from. Eh? You know what?
Sister, you need serious deliverance if you're always thinking like this. So this is 21st century. Eh? The man is only trying to be nice. In that ritual whatever. Yeah.
See, the problem is that I don't like this guy. I don't like him at all. I don't like anything about him, but I don't know how to tell him. Maybe the next time he comes, I will summon up courage and tell him how I feel. Because anytime he comes here, I'm irritated. I want to walk at him. Eh?
Sister, has he asked you out?
No.
Here, sister. The young man is only trying to be nice. And you're here acting all up. He has not even proposed. If he does, well, I don't pray you tell him that type of thing because he looks like a good man. But then, sister, free yourself now. You're too stiff. It's not right.
Is that supposed to be an insult or an assault?
No, you can call it whatever. I've already said what I said, sister.
Because give me the food.
Well, I've eaten mine. Hey, before I forget, it's getting late. I need to rush to the market. Sister, see you later.
Hey, Bia, I hope it's not my ATM. Next time, go back to the car. I hope it's not my ATM. Jesus, I swear, why you ribum? Hope ATM mo.
You know the same way you stop, you see the move. Wetin dey worry you? Sister, now you get this town. Wetin be your name? Wetin be your name? You don't ask you. Pass this bag. You don't come on the bag.
What's the name of this? What's the name of this? Are you okay? Are you fine? Are you hot? Please, your bag. Let me just come in.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome. My name is Eric.
I
Eric.
am Bonnie.
Onyi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, I don't know how I would have escaped those guys if not been came from me. Thank you. Trust me, I don't know them. I
Look,
mean, I've never seen them before.
I know. I mean, this is how these guys go around, assaulting and molesting people. But you just need to be very careful, okay?
I will.
Yeah.
Thank you. Please, can I at least have your number so I can ask my sister to help me? Thank you.
No. I mean, it's nothing. I will give you my number, but look, it's not because I helped you, okay? Alright. But just be careful next time, please.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So, this way, right?
Yeah, this.
Oh, okay.
Hey! Thank God for your life, oh. Kede kan kareko?
Sister, it's today I know angels are in human form.
Hmm.
If not for the intervention of that man, they would not have only robbed me, but they would have hurt me as well.
Why do you think I'm thanking God? Eh? I don't need to tell you what they would have done to you today. You need to be very careful, oh.
But sister, that man that helped me, that man is cute though. Hey! Like, I was just looking at his face when he came to help me. Like, I was not even thinking about those people that robbed me or... Chai.
Bia, don't tell me you have started falling for him.
Before uncle, I no go marry. As Tony has disappointed these village people, not me. I have to take option B now. And I believe this one is going to work out. It will definitely work out.
You are cheap. You're very cheap. So, just because a man helped you today, all of a sudden, you have started falling for him. Just like that. Eh?
Sister, it's not like that though. If you're in that situation, that man is very calm. Nah, there's something special about that man. Anyways, I was one that collected his number too. Like, I couldn't just... Hey, that man is cute, sister!
Yes, that man is cute. Once you see somebody the cute, fiam, you will lose your senses. You are a desperado. If you like, cut it anyhow. You are a desperado. But you have to be very careful. You know you just met him. So you have to take things easy. Before he will wound and mend and break your heart again. You are entering another one. Just like that. Without looking.
But sister, this one is not... I've heard what you said though, but this is not desperation. This is called being woke. See, I'm not in the generation of girls that will just see man they like, they'll sit down and wait for the man to come and collect their number first. If you want something, you go for it. And that's exactly what I just did. I went for the man that pleased my heart, sister. That's what I just did.
I want to know who trained you. It can't be me. I cannot train. Anyway, go and make something for us to eat.
Sister, after the story I told you, I thought I had road accident today now. You want me to go and cook?
Friend, go. Who even knows? Maybe the story itself, you forged this so that you not cook.
Sister, it's not forged though.
was about sleeping before you called. I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, wait, did I hear you well? I must not refuse. Are you forcing me to go on a date with you or what?
Sister. Sister. Look at me now. How do I look?
Like a human being.
Sister. Be serious now. How do I look?
You want me to lie? No, you want me to say what I'm not seeing. Eh? I'm looking at you and I'm seeing a human being. A fine human being.
Now you come. You just have to accept your sister is beautiful. Eh? It's not that hard. Well, sister, I'm going out now and I'll be coming back in no time.
Don't tell me you're going to see the new guy already.
The new guy, speaking of him, I've been calling his number and he's not picking up my call. I really do wish he's not really going to meet.
Listen, you have to take things easy. Slow and easy. Don't go selling your pride. Eh? You have to have some dignity as a woman. Let me go.
Sister, I'm going now. Hey, I heard your new friend is coming. Sister, please be nice to him. Don't disgrace our family.
Necessary poor.
Let me give you small advice.
Go.
Sister, please, be nice.
Go away.
I don't say what I said.
Wakachamaru. You have tried. Wakachamaru.
I'm not here to have drinks.
So, if you're not expecting a drink, what are you expecting?
Good question. I called you last night. I told you we were going on a date today, and I'm here as I promised.
No, I can't go out. I'm really very busy today.
Come on now. I asked you last night, and you didn't say anything, so I figured that you just agreed on it.
Okay, but please, can we do it tomorrow?
I have a trip tomorrow. I'm traveling tomorrow, okay? That's why I figured we could just, have the time out today.
I'm not even dressed for going out. I mean, I just want to walk and that's it. Just look at what I'm wearing.
It's not a problem. I don't have a problem with it, okay? It's just us, so let's just go.
You mean you don't mind me going out with you dressed like this?
I don't mind, okay? I don't mind, please.
Alright.
Now that you've seen that I mean no harm, are you comfortable?
Yes, I am. But tell me, is this where you bring every girl you talk to?
Well, not every girl. This is where I decided to bring you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Do you need anything else? Do you like the
No.
food?
No. I'm
Do you
fine.
like the food?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Mercy. I really care about you. Yeah, I do. And it will be my honor if you'd accept to be my girl.
Are you asking me to be your girlfriend?
Yeah.
You would have told me that was your reason for bringing me here. And I would have told you that I am not ready to get into any relationship right now.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel that I'm not ready. I'm
Okay, look. I understand, but just promise me you think about it.
I found a shadow love fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark.
Yeah, hello, who's this?
I felt so wrong yet right.
Sorry, I didn't save this number. Can you remind me who this is?
So bright. But in the morning came too soon, whispering goodbye. In my dreams you still linger, but you're fading away. In my heart you will always be there. I don't know how to go on. Ikabukomo, Ikabukomo. Life without you, I don't know how to hold on. Ikabukomo, Ikabukomo. Life without you. I found a shadow love fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark. I felt so wrong yet right. The laughter dance like spark. We burn so bright.
So, sister, how was your date now?
It was nice. I will not lie to you, it was really nice. He seems like a very nice guy. I mean, we talked and I think I like him.
Oh, okay.
But I'm scared. Honestly.
Scared of what? Sister, is it the one calling?
Yes.
Why not pick up his call? Pick it up. Pick up now. Why? You just said something nice about this gentleman now. Why are you not ignoring him? It's not nice.
I don't know what to tell him. Honestly, you know I'm not used to this. And I don't want him to find out that I don't know anything about relationships. You know, he's going to start looking down on me and I don't want it. Besides, I think I like him too much. After the date, I didn't want him to go. That's how bad it is. And I don't want to give any man that kind of power over me. You know? So, my mind is telling me to just end things before they get too deep.
No one is ending anything here. Give him a try. Sister, this is literally the first time you're saying good thing about a man. And now you want to shut him all up. It's not good now.
God. God.
It's
But
calling again.
Okay, I will talk to him later, not now.
Are you sure?
But it's a good feeling. I like how I'm feeling.
I like this feeling. Look at my sister looking all shy. Love is blind indeed. Oh, I love her.
Come on, no, I'm good. No, it scared me.
That was the idea. Sit.
Okay.
Okay. So today you have decided to come to my shop this early.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be working with me. Yes.
I must be living in London.
Yes.
Okay.
So first of all, here, you have to learn how to measure.
Measure. Okay. Oh, so this is...
you have to measure the length.
Length?
Yes, the length first.
For real? So...
Okay, yes, like this.
Okay.
I found a shadow love, fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark, I felt so wrong yet right. The laughter danced like spark, we burned so bright. But in the morning came too soon, whispering goodbye. In my dreams you still linger, but you're fading away. In my heart you will always be there. I don't know how to go on. Ikabukomo, Ikabukomo. Life without you, I don't know how to hold.
Surprise!
Hi.
Hi, you don't seem happy to see me. Sit now.
I'm okay. I'm okay. You didn't tell me you're coming.
I wanted to make a surprise. I mean, you asked for let me.
Oh yeah.
Sit now.
Yeah. He knows you're my friend. That's why he lets you in. But look, I would appreciate next time if you come in, just call me. Okay?
It's okay. I'm sorry. You still don't seem happy. What's going on?
It's nothing. I'm just stressed, so I just want to go up, have my bath, and sleep.
Of course, I could go. That's for you.
No. Okay, I was hoping you would leave, okay, and come back tomorrow. I need my alone time. I had to think about some things, okay? Yeah.
Eric, this version of you scares the hell out of me. I wish you can share what's going on. I mean, okay. If it's space you want, I could give you space.
Look,
No, it's okay. I mean, it's fine. I'll just get my things and leave. I hope you're fine though.
say I know what is wrong with you. When will you ever give a man a chance in your life? When?
Honestly, I will appreciate it if you save your advice for another day. Because you see today, I am not in the best of moods, honestly.
Is there any time you are in the best of mood? Hey, Messi, you take life too serious. People that take life serious, they are in the muck.
Are you wishing me death?
Mbawa, that's not what I said. But you should just try and relax. And give a man a chance. Bikon.
I have heard you, ma. Thank you, ma. So, how are the kids?
Don't try to change the topic. The kids are fine. I wish to also ask you the same question. At least, like pretty soon, like tomorrow, next year, next month.
Oh, tomorrow.
You got chicken belly,
Onyi, not even a simple greeting. Ogene, what is wrong?
Nothing.
Nothing. Ezioku. Onyi, let me tell you something for free. You are one person that can never fake happiness. I hope you know that. Because if you try it, everybody around you will detect that you are faking it. You are a very jovial person. So it's going to be very hard for you to fake that you're happy. Ngwa, out with it. I'm no shelego. Ogeneme, what happened?
Sister, it's not that my new boyfriend. He's acting as if he's not interested in me.
Really? How?
I went to pay him a surprise visit, only for him to frown when he saw me and asked me to leave that he wants to rest.
Why am I not surprised? I'm not surprised at all.
Sister, that's what you have to say.
Is it not obvious that you are the one throwing yourself at him? Eh? If I talk now, you will say, I belong to the work generation. We are not used to sitting down and allowing man to come and meet us. Instead, if we see a man that we like, we go... Ngwano, work generation. Now you get this hand though. You have tried. Keep being woke. Inugo?
Sister, you should at least be soft on me now. I'm heartbroken.
What do you want me to say? Have I not told you severally? Is it the first time you're hearing it? I have told you that it is a man that should be doing the chasing and not the other way around. But if I just girl, you don't hear. Allow this man to fall in love with you naturally. And you will see how he will respect you and value you. That is your problem.
Well, sister, I'm not in support of that. I believe if you like something, you go for it. And that was what I did.
Ezioku. You still have mouth to talk. That means it's not paying you. Hey, Ometahagia, it did not pay you. You don't hear. If I'm talking to you, you use continue to block your ear up, yeah? Now let me tell you, the next time you go to that man's house, you see this one that he used small voice to tell you to leave his house. He will use a bass. Or better still, he will use long cane and flog you out of his house since you don't hear. Edgy cute boys were quero on ya.
You don't even have to pay somebody. I told you I'm heartbroken. You're telling me all of this. You just came back. What do you buy for me?
Hi! That boy did not do anything to you. Makachi, he did not do anything to you. You are looking for something to eat. You that is supposed to be crying with your broken heart. You are looking for something to eat.
Sister, you said you don't even have to go.
The way I'm seeing you, you see like just another man.
That boy must pray for me.
Yes, now. I heard you the first time. Okay, no problem, I'll come. Don't worry. You are safe. You are safe with me. I'll come. Ah! Oh God! Really? Okay. Hey. Good. Okay. You know what? I'm tired of hearing this one. Say something else. In fact, you missed your calling. Ezoku, you should be a comedian.
Oh, you're so happy.
What happened?
Hey, bro, you won't believe it. Guess what?
What?
Messi has finally accepted my request.
Wow.
We are not dating.
Wow. I'm happy for you, bro. I know how you fought for this.
I know. But the best of it all is she deserves every stress I put into this. I mean, the girl is so homely.
I think I need to see this girl. You have spoken so much about her.
You will. You will. Trust me. My brother, drink up. Oh, wait. Cheers. To a new beginning.
Whoa. At last.
What is wrong with you? No, tell me, what is wrong with you? Why would you show up to my house unannounced and expect me to be happy with you?
Eric, did you just speak to me that tone?
Look, I'm sorry, okay? But I'm not in the best of moods right now.
Eric, when are you ever in the mood? When? You're never in the mood when I'm around. It's been days, if not weeks. We spoke last. And this is all I get for showing up in your house.
Look, I said I'm sorry.
Do you know what? Maybe I'm the problem. Maybe I'm the one trying to force myself on you.
Well, take care of the shop, eh? We'll come back.
Sister, don't stay long though. I don't know you are going to your friend Lucy. Just now I have a friend to meet this evening.
Eh? Cheru. I hope it is not that same man that you told me insulted you and asked you out of his house that you're going to see.
Am I mad? God forbid. Men don't finish. Okay. No, I have a new friend I want to go and meet. Okay. Sha, don't stay long. Oh. You know I'm not a tailor, so I don't know what to tell your customers when they come.
It's okay, I will not stay long. But if it's something important, call me.
Definitely.
Alright.
Bye.
I'm going to go.
Make sure you buy me something.
Oh, your way.
My normal cake, please.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. I always knew you would come back.
Yeah. Are you the one here?
No. It's my sister actually. Though she's not around now. So how can we help you, Mr. Eric?
Your sister?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. Is something wrong?
No. No.
Okay. So you can sit if you want to. But you know you really got me angry the last time.
I'm sorry. It wasn't my intention.
It's fine. So what can I offer you?
Wait, you're serious that this is your sister's shop?
Do you have a problem with that?
What do you mean by that? What is wrong with what I'm putting on?
I told you we were going to my friend's party. Look at the way you're dressed.
May
May I remind you, you are one of the best seamstress in town. And you can afford to wear whatever you want. I can't get it too much. When will you even start dressing according to your status?
I don't understand. Are we here for you to look at what I'm wearing? Or are we not entering the party venue?
This is one thing I hate about you.
Oh, you only hate one thing about me. Me, I hate plenty things about you.
Eh?
Okay, because
And it's all no.
or should I start going? I don't want to insult. Should I start going?
Don't go anywhere, boss. Maintain steeze and composure. Do you understand? Don't form my hand. Let's go.
So, tell me about yourself. Do you always love being a slave queen?
Slave queen? You're not serious. Well, depending on the definition of a slave queen. Anyways, I love life, I love shopping, I love parties, having fun, all of that shit.
So, you do go clubbing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sometimes I do go clubbing, but my sister controls and control my movements on it.
Oh, I see. She must be a very loving and caring sister.
Yeah, she's like a mom to me. She took care of me since when I was little. I was told my parents died when I was little.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's fine.
So you live with your sister currently?
Yeah.
I would love to meet your sister.
Really?
Yeah, I like a woman who takes care of her siblings the way she does.
Oh, she would surely love to see you. I bet it.
I can't wait to tell her how much you aggressively guzzle the food chicken on Thursday or Monday.
No, don't do that. She will come in longer throat. No. Don't do that, please.
It's okay.
I'm happy you finally come to my sister's place.
Are you really sure that guy is coming to our house next weekend?
Yes, so. He's gradually taking our relationship very serious.
Are you sure? Or maybe he's just pulling your legs?
No. He was even at the shop today. But it's quite unfortunate you were not around when he came.
At the shop?
Yes.
How did he locate my shop? Who told him about my shop? Did you ask him to come?
No. Well, I guess the question should be, how did you know I was in the shop?
Exactly. So how did he find his way to the shop?
Well, I asked him that same question and he said he showed some of our neighbors my picture and they referred him to our shop.
Okay. Hi. I would have asked you to get a plate of that abacha for me to eat because it looks delicious. Manana, party. If you see the party.
I didn't come, sister. Look at my house. You want myself to add something.
Your sister?
I don't know what's nice. I'm coming, okay?
Oh, okay.
Be good. And here comes my sister, the best in the whole wide world. Do you know each other?
No. No. Just that. He is so cute.
Oh, thank you. I told you. Meet my man, Mr. Eric Okadike.
Nice to meet you. She has told me a lot about you. Good stuff. And I decided to come see her sister in person.
Don't mind my sister. She is a confirmed talkative. Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
We look cute, right? Sister, what do you think about him?
What did you say his name is again?
Eric Okadike.
Eric. That is not his name. That is not his name at all.
What do you mean? I don't understand. Do you know him before?
That is not his name. Not as in name, as in name. I just mean, he doesn't look like somebody that would bear that kind of a name.
Sister, I don't get it. I'm still trying to understand what you're saying. It doesn't make any sense. What do you mean?
All I am saying is that he does not look responsible. His irresponsibility is showing on his face. In fact, the way I am seeing him, that guy is a very useless womanizer. That is what he is.
What has this gentleman done to you? You know what, sister? I think I know your problem. No, Wasabi na dey worry you. Because why would you just see a gentleman like that and just conclude he's a womanizer? You don't even know him yet.
Listen. What an elder sees seated, a child will never see it, even if he or she decides to climb the highest tree.
Well,
yes.
Sister, all I see is a cute guy. Even when I'm seated or you standing,
listen,
it's still that same cute guy.
That guy does not look genuine to me, and I want you to be very careful. Be careful of him.
Okay, sister. Though you lose calm though, I know. I'll just be careful and that's it. Come on, loosen up. Is that why you're hungry?
Eric, or whatever it is you are called. What are you doing here? But anyway, you're here already, so let me ask you. What the hell do you think you're doing with my sister? Huh?
Look, I didn't know she was your sister, Mercy. I didn't know. I was as surprised as you were the day I came to your house and saw you.
Really? So because you didn't know she was my sister, that was why you lied to her and told her your name is Eric. I was so right about you. I knew it. I knew something was off when my heart was finding it difficult to accept you. All of you are just liars. All of you are cheats. All of you are just wicked!
Mercy, I didn't lie to her.
But you told her your name is Eric.
Yes, that's my name. My name is Obina Eric Ukadike. I'm sorry I didn't give you my English name when we met, but that is my name.
You know, it is the guts you have for me. It is the guts you have to stand right in front of me and confirm that you are actually playing with two sisters. Really?
I'm not messing with her. I am not. You can ask her. She's been the one throwing herself at me. Look, I've just been diplomatically avoiding her.
You know, you can lie all you want. But please, for your own good, stay away from my sister. Stay away from her and stay the hell away from me.
Come on, Mercy.
Get out of my shop.
Mercy, at least let me just...
Get out.
At least let me explain myself.
Can you? Oh, God. When you listen to me.
No, you listen to me, sister. Then my sister doesn't give you the authority over my life. I've respected you enough as an elder sister and a confidant. So you have no right to dictate to me who I'll be in a relationship with. I will not leave Eric. No, I won't.
I said I don't trust him. I don't trust him. You need to be careful. You need to listen to me.
What do you mean you don't trust him? What is his business? It's not like he even knows you from Adam. He doesn't care if you trust him or not. Whatever, sister. I'm leaving to my room. If it's the way my sister acted when you came, trust me, that's how she behaves with strangers. I mean, she doesn't like seeing me around men.
I don't understand.
Yeah, she has this age-long hatred for men and she keeps getting worse.
Has she experienced any heartbreak before?
Heartbreak? No. In fact, she has never been in a relationship before. She just doesn't seem to trust you.
Why? Because I've not done anything to warrant her distrust.
Yeah, I know. I'm just so glad you've met her and also know my house. Now you see my love for you is genuine, babe.
Well, about that, Oni. Look, I really appreciate you seeking to be with me. I really do appreciate it. Okay? And you see, love is a two-way thing. Okay? You can't have feelings for someone who doesn't have feelings for you.
Yeah, and I know you do have feelings for me, right?
Well, about that, Onye, look, I don't love you.
No, you love me. I mean, you saved me the other day.
Yes, I did, but I don't love you. I don't have feelings for you.
What are you saying?
We can't continue this. I don't want to hurt you.
Why? Am I not good enough?
Look, I don't love you, okay? I just don't want us to continue so I don't hurt you.
No, it's not. Thank you. Hello? Hi!
Honestly, doctor, I am so worried. Please, can you tell me the truth? What are her chances?
Stop crying, okay? You should be grateful to God that your sister survived this accident. She only sustained minor bruises. I believe she will be fine. God's hand is on her. She will be fine.
Thank God.
She'll be fine.
Because I don't know what I would do if anything happens to my sister.
Nothing happens to her. But who is this Eric of a guy she keep calling?
Eric.
Of course.
I don't know.
I don't understand. Please, you need to reach out to this Eric because I believe this is the person that she wants to see right now.
Oh! Yes! I remember who Eric is. Yes, I know him. I know him.
Please, you have to call him now. That his presence is needed in the hospital for your sister's life.
Okay. Okay, excuse me.
Hold on, I'm coming. Oh, what a surprise call I received from you. I never knew you would locate here so easily.
What did you do to my sister?
I don't understand.
My sister is at the hospital. She's lying there helpless and she's been yelling your name. What did you do to her?
Hospital? I've been trying to call her number, she's not picking up.
Just answer my question. What the hell did you do to her? I warned you. I asked you to stay away from her. I told you to leave her alone. What did you do?
Nothing. She just came here and I told her the truth and nothing can happen between us. And she just left here angrily. I didn't...
Well, thanks to you. She is at the hospital. Injured. So you better come with me so we can figure out why she keeps yelling your name.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me get my key. I just got my key. Thank God it's not that serious. Hey, I'm here.
Thank you so much for coming. I've missed you so much.
It's fine now. It's fine. You'll be okay.
Promise never to leave me again.
I promise. I promise. Just get well first. Okay? You'll be fine.
Thank you. I really appreciate this.
I'm glad she's getting better.
Yes, the doctor said she just sustained minor injuries. I'm very sure she'll be discharged very soon. But thank you. I really appreciate this. Thank you.
But you know, this doesn't mean I have any interest in your sister. It's you. That's always been you, and it's still you. Look, I say just give me a chance.
Listen, right now, I just want to concentrate on making sure my sister is okay. Please.
I understand. I really do. Look, that was why I had to tell her the other day she came to my house that I'm not interested in her, that I'm in love with another woman.
Did you mention my name?
No, I didn't. I didn't, but I just couldn't pretend anymore. I mean, she was all up on me and I didn't need it. I didn't need that energy.
Oh, listen, I want to go in and take care of her, but I promise you we're going to talk about this.
Okay. Alright, take care.
Alright, have a Umi, I don't understand you. Let us go now. We have been discharged since. For what?
Sister, I'm not going anywhere. Go and bring Eric for me. I've told you before. Look, if you don't bring Eric here, I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, nah. Eric is actually a very busy person. Besides, where do you want me to go and find Eric now? I'm on my Bobby.
Sister, I have his address. I'll give his address. Go and bring it for me. Look, I'm not going anywhere if you don't bring Eric for me. Oh. Eric is my body, my soul, everything. I can't even think without Eric. Go and bring him for me. Sister, go now. Unless you don't want us to go now. Because I'm not going anywhere if you don't bring Eric.
I don't get. She wants me to come over.
Yes, she said she will not be discharged until she sees you. In fact, she said she wants you by her side. That is why I have come to ask you to please follow me to the hospital.
I don't. Why is she doing this? Why is she still disturbing me? You know I'm not interested in her. So why is she still disturbing me?
Please, just go with me to the hospital. Please.
Have you considered my request? I meant every word I said.
Obi, it's not as if I don't want to consider your request. In fact, I've started seeing you as a very responsible man who knows what he wants and goes after it with consistency. I was even thinking of giving you a chance. But I've also been thinking, what of my sister? What becomes of her?
She'll be fine. Look, she'll be okay. I mean, she'll move on. She'll meet another man. She's pretty. Look, Mercy, I can't think of any other woman I want to spend the rest of my life with if it's not you.
Okay. But please, for today, just go with me to the hospital. My sister really needs you. Please.
Have you considered my request?
Thank you for coming.
Let me help you.
That's fine.
Let me off now.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning. Get up.
Oh, thank you. As if you know I was hungry.
I know you very well. You like food too much. Your sickness, I say your sickness did not affect your mouth. You like food.
Sister, thank you.
You like it, Abby? Very good. Shebi, you're using sickness to threaten me, okay? No, it's okay. I'm serving you and you're happy. Don't worry. I will keep serving you until you're okay. That is when I'm about to match. Because I will make sure you serve me, 6 months you serve each other. Don't worry. Enjoy yourself.
Starting me, Joe. I'm sick and I'm in pain.
Oh, so just eat so you can take your pain medication, okay?
Okay, sister. Oh, this medication again. Can't wait to finish it. Besides, I said it's very harmful to the liver. I don't even know how I'm taking it.
Yes, that is very true. But that is when you take it for too long. But the doctor said you just leave it for 3 or 4 days max.
No, I just take it for 3 days and rest.
It's okay.
What of Eric? I'm not seeing him this morning.
Only, you know that Eric is not living with us in this house. So he has gone home. And he might probably be at his workplace right now.
Oh! Well, let him go now.
Ogini, you were sleeping when he left and he didn't want to disturb you. What is the problem?
Shouldn't have allowed him go now.
Oni, I don't understand what is going on these days. How come you are crazy about him all of a sudden?
Because I'm crazy about him. Sister Eric is my life.
Ha.
Sister Eric is the air I breathe. Sister Eric is the man of my dream.
Oh, I know.
Without Eric, I will not take any medicine or ilo.
I've heard. Just eat your food. Take your medication and then we can sort this out. Okay?
I'm talking about Eric. You're telling me to eat my food. Is the food important than Eric? You can't bring Eric for me.
You will not eat.
I'm not eating.
You will not take your medication. Until a full week.
Sister can't call Eric for me now.
Okay.
Go.
I don't know why my sister craves your presence as if her life depends on it. She has asked me to call you again.
Oh, come on now, Mercy. I don't understand. What's all this?
Please, just help me. Do it for me this time again. I promise you. I'll not ask you again. Please, just this one time.
My love, look, you know I would do anything for you. You know, right? But I have to go to work.
Please, I know. But I don't know what else to do. Just help my sister this one time. That is all I'm asking you. Please.
I'm only tolerating this because of you. And because of the love I have for you.
I found a shadow love, fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark, I felt so wrong yet right. The laughter dance like spark, we burn so bright. But in the morning came too soon, whispering goodbye. In my dreams you still linger, but you're fading away. In my heart you will always be there. I don't know how to go on.
Don't say it again. Don't say it again. Hey, sister, don't sister me at all. Are you okay? No, I'm asking you, are you okay? Listen, you are beginning to take this Eric thing too far, and I am no longer comfortable with it.
Sister, I thought you said you would do everything for me in the whole world.
Yes, I said that. And I said it because I love you. But I will not allow you to manipulate me into granting an awkward request.
Sister, what is awkward in you trying to call Mr. Eric to come live in with us? Just for a short while till I'm fully recovered.
Did you hear what you just said? Does it sound intelligent to you? No, what you said now, does it make sense to you? Do you think he's idle, that he doesn't have what he's doing? He doesn't have any job or business? You think he's just lying down waiting for me to come and call him to babysit you? You even know that he will not even allow it. In fact, he will not agree. So why do you want me to do it?
Sister, I know you can talk to him. He will definitely agree. That's why I'm begging you. Sister, please.
I should go and make a fool of myself, right? No, I should go there and make a bia oni. I'm beginning to think that this is a deliberate attempt by you to downgrade me. Yes! Because I need you to tell me why you want me to do this. There must be another reason. Oni, what is the problem?
Sister,
what is your reason?
No problem. I just want to heal faster. And only Eric can make me heal faster.
Memia, I will not do it. Ewe Miki Mia. Never! I said I will not do it.
I thought you said you love me.
Love Bakwako. I will not do it.
Hey! My friend is in love. No. Call it whatever you like, but that is what it is.
I'm so happy for you.
You are smiling. It's a kind of Megan.
I can't wait to meet the lucky man.
You will meet him. Oh. Just that there is a bit of an issue.
Hey, Mbakwa, it won't be issue now.
What is it? Apparently, my sister is in love with the same man I am in love with.
What?
In Afua.
Hey! Wait. Don't tell me after these years of rejecting men, you are finally settling down with a womanizer.
Mba. Obinna is not a womanizer.
So how can you now explain him loving you and your sister?
Oh, Makanina, at what speed? Because if you slow down, you allow me to explain things to you. The thing is, my sister is in love with him, yes. But he's not interested. And that is the truth.
Are you sure? Or did he just say that to you?
I am very sure of what I'm telling you.
Hey.
The issue now is, how do I tell my sister, because she's not aware yet, and I don't want to break her heart.
Hey, oh, you go
if you go near.
Hey, but you will tell her. But first thing first, you need to introduce me to this man. So I can confirm, because I don't understand this glory.
Avoid me.
I don't know.
Avoid me. But wait,
so you can be this happy.
So this is what you people have been enjoying.
Look, I don't understand. What does your sister want from me?
She's in love with you.
But that's ridiculous. It can never work. I mean, I already told her that. It can't work.
She doesn't seem to understand that, and honestly, it bothers me. I don't want to break her heart, but at the same time, I don't want to deny myself happiness. Now I'm feeling like a very selfish sister. I mean, I don't know how I fell in love with you. I should have just distanced myself from this whole thing.
Come, look, I understand how you feel, Mercy. Okay? I really do understand how you feel, but I mean, I know how it feels like loving the same man that your sister is in love with, but it's not your fault. Okay? It's not. I have nothing to do with her. I don't think I can even have anything to do with her. And distancing yourself from me is only just going to hurt you. It's you denying yourself your own happiness. Look, I love you and that's all that matters. And I'm going to do anything possible to make you happy.
Please. I just need to ask you for one favor.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, can you still come to the house and see my sister? Please, just help her this one time. I really need you to come around. Please. Please.
Okay. Just this one time.
I found a shadow love, fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark, I felt so wrong yet right.
Hey, so I'm actually done. I should be leaving right now.
Leaving?
Mm-hmm.
Why not stay more with me? Why are you leaving now?
I'm so sorry. I have a couple of things to do. I have a meeting as well to meet. I just had to honor your sister's invite and make sure you're good.
Eric, I want you. I need you in my life. Eric, my body and soul yearns for you. Can't you see that?
Onye, what about reciprocity? Look, I don't have feelings for you. Okay.
Eric, I know you do. And it's such somewhere in your heart. I believe it's somewhere in your heart. Just locate it. I know you love me. Eric, I want you.
Look, Onye, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't love you. I don't.
I found a shadow love, fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark, I felt so wrong yet right. The laughter dance like spark, we burn so bright. But in the morning came too soon, whispering goodbye.
Where is Eric?
He just left.
Oh, okay. What's wrong with you? Why are you like this?
I'm fine.
You know you are not fine. Eh? Ogeni, what happened?
I said I'm fine.
The laughter dance like spark, we burn so bright. But in the morning came too soon, whispering goodbye.
I know. But myself will do crazy things for love.
You can't be doing crazy things with her. It's not possible. You can't be doing that with her. I mean, you're supposed to run far away from her.
Look, myself, you don't get it. This girl is even insisting on me going to take care of her sister, knowing fully well that I don't. But I just find myself doing this all because I love her. She disturbs her to tell me to come around. I don't know. This for love.
Let me guess. She hasn't told her sister that you're in love with her.
No, she hasn't. And I've told her to tell her sister so that we don't keep pretending.
Okay. Let me ask you one question. Does loving this lady in question worth it?
Oh, I'll be really sincere to you. Our love is worth it. I love her with everything. And I can't even wait to make her my wife, trust me. I can't wait, bro. Yeah.
So. It's okay. Don't stop crying. It is okay. But I don't understand him. Listen, if he says he is not interested in you, why don't you just get your mind off him? Eh? I don't understand. Why?
Since how do I get my mind off him? My love for him has increased. My love for him increased the moment he came to this house. Sister, please can you help me beg him to fall in love with me? Sister, I know you can do it. Sister, please help me.
You know that is impossible. I mean, he has to fall in love with you willingly, freely and genuinely. If not, it's going to be forced. I mean, it's going to be... You will not enjoy it.
Sister, I don't want to enjoy anything. Sister, let it be forced. Sister, let it be forced as long as he's with me. Sister, I want Eric. I want Eric. I want Eric, sister. Sister, I want Eric.
Obsession with
sister,
a man.
I want Eric. I want Eric.
What is this obsession with a man that does not love you? A man that is not interested in you? Eh? Nigerian Movie. Don't go and sell yourself cheap just because you want a man's love. Organide.
You know what? I don't even know why I'm having this conversation with you. You've clearly never been in love before. I want to be left alone. Please leave my room. Leave my room.
Oni?
I said, can't leave my room, sister, leave! Sister, leave my room! Sister, leave my room! I'll leave the room if you don't go. Sister, leave! Leave my room! Leave my room! Sister, leave my room! Leave my room! Leave my room! Sister, leave! Leave!
I whisper in the
I said this
dark.
place is not too short. It should be the measurement that you gave me now. But it's like you added small weight, so the thing is now drawing the cloth up. But that is what your generation like. You don't like hear the short.
What for me? I just like the man more.
Yeah.
Just let it be.
It's fine. This thing is your size. The sleeve. That's the style.
And the hands, this place.
Is the style. When you're one like that, it's the style. Yes. Yo, you know what you do now? Should be like that. See, do you know these days it's not easy to wake up. So now that you have made your own and paid for it, carry it with pride. It doesn't matter.
It's pride that
that's why you should start going now. Start going now before we beat you on the top. You got to make only.
I found a shadow love, fleeting like the night. I whisper in the dark, I felt so wrong yet right. The laughter dance like spark, we burn so bright. But in the morning,
Thank you for always coming to my rescue anytime my sister wants to see you.
Oh, even if it's against my wish.
At least you're doing it for me. Thank you. Thank you for always being there. You don't know the peace I get knowing that you're always there. Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, like I said, I would always do anything for you so that I could put a smile on your face. Your smile is beautiful. You know. Hey, I love you.
I love you so much.
No. Look. Only just hold on. Look, we can explain, okay? We can explain.
We can explain. Oh, you just don't do anything stupid.
Please, just drop the knife. Just drop the knife, okay?
Oh, you just drop it. Drop it.
When you just drop the look, we can explain.
Oh, yeah. Don't do this. Bonnie! What is this? Jesus Christ! Bonnie! What did you... God!
Don't you think you need to be by her side while she's receiving treatment?
How am I supposed to face her? I don't even know what to do. You know, I have told her so many lies and I don't even know where to start from.
You need to start from somewhere. Start from anywhere. You can't hide this. You need to let her know what's going on between us. I've told you about this before.
I know, but I just didn't want to break her heart.
Right now, you have no choice than to tell her the truth.
God.
How could you do this to me? How? I thought you were my sister. I thought you genuinely cared for me. I thought you genuinely loved me. I thought you were genuinely happy when I told you I had found love. You made a mess of me. You made a caricature of me. Why?
Honey, believe me. I wanted to tell you the very day you brought him to the house.
You wanted to tell me what? You betrayer.
I am your sister. I love you. And I can
Please.
never betray you.
Don't you make mockery of that word love. But because you have no idea of what it means. What kind of a sister are you?
The kind that found out that the man that has been pestering her for a relationship is the same man that my sister is in love with.
What? What do you mean?
Remember the day you told me his name? That was not the name he told me. He didn't introduce himself to me as Eric. So how was I supposed to know it was the same man you were talking about?
We've been dating a bloody womanizer.
When I am not a womanizer.
Oh, please. What are you? The devil sent to destroy the relationship I have with my sister.
You need to calm down, okay? My name is Obina Eric Ukadike. I never knew she was your sister until the day I came to your shop to see her and I saw you there. Look, I wanted to tell you the truth, but I was scared. I'm sorry, okay?
Oh. You are truly Eric and Obinna. Oh my God. I was such a fool.
Can you please look?
Don't you dare. Just stop it. Stop. You both should leave my room. Get out. Leave! Leave my room! Leave! I don't want to see you both. Leave my room! Leave my room! Leave! Leave my room! Sister, I've heard what you guys said, and I'm really sorry for the way I've been acting out about the whole thing. You're my sister, my blood, and it has been my craving to see you settle down with someone you love. I've never seen you this certain about a particular man. Which means you love Obinna so much. And he loves you too. I have decided to let go of him. He's your man. You can have him.
I was lost in a love I thought was true. But the moment I met you, my heart just flew. Caught in a web of what I knew.
I'll be leaving town.
Now I'm ready to risk it all for you. This feeling is stronger than I ever known.
Sister, you don't expect me to stay back and watch you get married to Obinna now.
What are you saying? I thought you said you have gotten over him.
Yes, I know I said that. But me getting over him doesn't mean I've totally forgotten all that happened. I need to leave. I need to start up my life. You just have to go, sister.
Onyi, we're too close. I mean, if you leave me, it's going to be very difficult for me. Please.
Sister, but you have Eric now. I mean, Obinna.
Listen. Obinna can never fill in the huge gap you're going to leave if you go away from me.
Okay.
Please. Don't make this thing difficult. Just stay. Please.
Sister, this thing you're asking me is very difficult. This is a very difficult thing.
Okay. Listen. What if you don't leave town? You don't have to. I can get an apartment for you so that you can stay close to me. Just don't go.
Sister. Sorry, but...
Babe, if you insist on leaving town, I don't see any reason why you should get worried over it. I mean, she could go.
You don't understand. We have never been apart. And she's the only sibling my parents left me.
Okay, fine. We could get her an apartment. I mean, she could rent an apartment, stay on her own.
I gave her that option and she refused. Oh God.
Then so be it. Don't get yourself worked up over this now. She's not a child, she's an adult. If she wants to leave town, let her be. Okay?
You really do not understand.
Come on. What is there to understand? What else is there to understand?
She's actually my daughter.
What other lie have you told me?
I swear, I am not hiding anything else from you. I have hidden this particular one for far too long. And I'm sorry.
Are you ever going to tell me?
No. I didn't want you to change whatever memory you have about our mother, who is obviously your grandmother. I had you when I was in secondary school. And it was not my fault. I was raped. I couldn't bear the shame. And on several occasions, I tried to kill myself. But my mother assured me that she was going to be there for me. Giving birth to you and raising you was not easy at all. But with the help of my mother, I was able to finish my secondary school. That was when we agreed that I would take you as my sibling instead of my daughter, so that you will not grow up asking about your parents. After I was raped, I swore that I would never have anything to do with any man in my life. I never knew I was ever going to fall in love. Until Obinna came into my life. Listen. Please. Forgive me. I shouldn't have kept it away from you all this while.
So that is why I've been living with you as a sibling instead of a daughter.
Yes. And I want you to forgive me. That is why I am so fond of you. And that is why I refuse to let you go. Listen. I love you. I love you so much. You are a very important part of my life.
just want you to understand that. Okay, I am sorry. I am really sorry. I should have told you about Uni and I. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I mean, yeah, you should have told me, but I perfectly understand. I listened to your story, and I know you've been through a lot. So it's fine.
But I really do not want her to leave. I don't know what to do, but I don't want her to leave me.
Yeah. Look, I know how you feel. Okay? I will talk to her. Yeah. I'll ask her to stay, at least until after our wedding.
Our wedding?
I was hoping you would give me the permission to be your lawfully wedded husband. Mercy. Please marry me.
Caught in a web of what I knew. Now I'm ready to risk it all for you. This feeling is stronger than I ever known. In your eyes,
You're still on this cloth.
Yes, sister. Oh, sorry, I need mom. Bobby, don't soon, Sha.
Why do I still prefer you calling me sister instead of mom? Not that I don't like it, oh. Just that I am so used to being called sister.
No, mom. I mean, in as much as I grew up knowing you and my sister, you're still my mom. And trust me, you deserve it. I mean, looking at a young lady like you, having a grown-up as a child. Mom, it's a flex, seriously.
I am proud too, trust me. I am so proud of myself each time I look at you. But I am also sad because the only thing I remember about your father is a bloody rapist who was killed by the man he tried to steal from. It's okay.
Well, if you ask me, I think he deserves it. I mean, I would never wanted to have seen himself. Let's talk.
Okay.
Hey, Mom. I thought you went out with your date. Where is he?
Oh yes. He went to see his cousin. And I decided to come back, check on you, and give you this cake that I bought for you. Because I know how much you like it.
You bought me cake! You bought me... Oh, thank you so much, Mom.
You fast there?
Take care of yourself. Let me finish up what I'm doing.
All right.
Hi.
Oh, good morning, Dad.
Dad?
I had to start learning how to call you Dad because she's about to get married to my mom.
I know I'm about to get married to your mom, but Dad, that make me look old. Please just call me Obi now, Eric.
Personally, would prefer to call you Dad.
Anyways, I I came to tell you that I will take your mom to my place for a week so that we go plan for my wedding.
Oh. So in other words, you came to seek permission?
More like it.
How much I can pay me?
Don't worry, before you blink, I'll bring her back.
Okay. All I ask is just to take good care of her. That's it.
Babe, so, look at this.
This one is actually very beautiful.
Yeah, see this, okay.
But wait first.
Okay, let's see, this. Okay, what about this? You know, I was actually thinking this. Look at. Like, we could just order it.
No.
Order it from Motor.
Just look at the price. It's too much now.
It's...
just importing itself. The money for importation, you can use it to buy something very beautiful here.
Is that...
Yes, I can make my own wedding gown.
Wait, why are you for real?
Not me.
Our wedding. You want to make your wedding gown?
I didn't suggest it.
Oh my God.
I know you not agree, but this one is expensive.
No, come on. I can afford it.
Oh yeah, see. There are Nigerian tailors that make beautiful wedding gown. Let's go there. Leave all these mortal people.
But I can afford it. I need you to look really, really beautiful for me. Come on now. I need you to look like my princess. There you are. Okay, we'll check your Nigerian tailors. Nigerian designers also. Okay, let's see.
Tailors, that thing.
They are designers now.
They are tailors.
I mean, you're a fashion designer. You can call yourself tailor.
Hey, wait. Sea cake. Happy good wedding gown. Jesus.
Is that what your problem is?
Hey! Nkelewu cake. Damn! Ha!
Okay, so
I'm settled for this one.
Okay, you like this?
I like this one.
Okay,
That one.
write this down. Okay. So this is for the cake. Babe, you should be ready to go to a walk.
Yes, I will, but I just want to tidy the house first.
Oh. Okay, look, I've been thinking you should employ someone to be opening your store, okay? I mean, your daughter said she's going to be leaving after our wedding.
I think you're right. I'll find someone before she leaves.
Okay. Take care of yourself, okay?
I will. And you take care of yourself for me, okay?
I can't wait to walk down the aisle with you. Be good. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Love you.
Love you.
But the moment I met you, my heart just flew. Caught in a web of
Ogene. What is it?
Who is that young man to you?
My husband.
Your husband? That means you should know his condition.
Condition?
Yes.
What condition? Doctor, please talk to us.
He's suffering a pancreas cancer and is at a critical stage now.
You should take it easy on yourself, Mom. Nothing will happen to him. I've seen people survive pancreas cancer. Let us put our trust in God.
But he never mentioned any sickness to me. He never told me he had any disease.
Mom.
Why will he keep something like that away from me? Why?
Mom will never know what he has been going through. Let's not conclude yet. Such a pity suffering this at this young age.
I just cannot believe it. I cannot believe he was going through all that. Suffering so much. And he never mentioned anything to me. Why?
No, Mom, don't do this. No, you don't have to cry. Mom, we just have to be prayerful about this. I'm not crying. Please. Please.
This is the only man I've ever loved. The only man that I was willing to settle with.
It's okay, Mom.
My happiness.
I understand.
So, why is God doing this to me?
Mom, it's okay. Stop. Stop. Don't do this. Let's just pray about this. I know we'll surely be fine.
This is too much for one person. This is too much for one person.
It's okay, Mommy. It's okay, Mom. You'll be fine.
It's okay, it's well. It's well. I am done sorting the bills.
Okay.
So, are you ready now? Let's go.
You know, I thought this whole thing has gone. This sickness. It's been a long time I had a relapse. Yeah, I was thinking God has healed me from this. And now it's back. Back at a period like this, with our wedding forthcoming.
It's okay. I never knew you were suffering so much. I'm so sorry.
No. Come on, I should be the one apologizing to you. I should have told you about my health. I'm sorry.
It's fine. The doctor said that this is a very critical stage. But it doesn't matter anyway. I love you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Okay. So, can we go now?
Yeah.
I was lost in a love I thought was true. But the moment I met you, my heart just flew. Caught in a web of what I knew. Now I'm ready to risk it all for you.
How are you feeling?
This feeling is stronger than I ever known.
Are you sure?
I feel I'm home.
Okay. Let me fix something.
I want the one I crave. I'll climb.
I know I lied about my health. I mean, I should have told you. But if you decide not to continue with this marriage, I won't hold it against you. Okay? You deserve everything good and not a sick man.
Obin, I am very sure you have heard a lot about me. How I rejected a lot of men who came to me for relationship. There's no life without you.
And I promise you today, I will never, ever leave you for another man. I won't even think of it. Yes, I know your sickness is life-threatening. But I also have faith that God will heal you completely for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I can think of one thing I have done right to deserve you. I can't. I mean, for you to still be with me in this condition.
It's for better, for worse, right? That is how much I love you. Okay? So don't worry about it. Now, stop talking. Just relax. Let me fix something for you to eat. Okay?
Babe, what of Bonnie?
She has gone to the workshop.
Okay.
I'm thinking, can we please call off this wedding until you get better?
Babe, we're not calling off this wedding. Okay? Look, this wedding will hold. Please take this thought out of your mind.
I'm just saying it because of your health.
Babe, this wedding will hold, okay? Don't let the devil take our joy. Even if I'm going to die, I want to get married to you. That will bring joy to my soul.
You know nothing will happen to you, right? I'm sure you know that. Because you are mine. You are mine for me to settle down with. And you will not escape me.
We'll go through this. Okay. Together.
Not that young, handsome man. How is he taking this?
He's taking it like a man. But honestly, I'm just praying for a miracle in his life, honestly. I honestly need that miracle in his life.
Hey, this is indeed heartbreaking. So are you saying that the wedding plans and every other thing is over, or what?
No way. No. The marriage arrangements will go on as planned. Listen, we are not going to let the devil win this time. You see, this time, we are going to win the devil. So you see that marriage, it must happen. That marriage must happen.
You're indeed a strong woman. I must say, I admire you a lot. And I pray God perfect that which that concerns you.
Amen.
It's just a miracle we can't wait for.
I honestly do not wish this even on my worst enemy. Okay, I'm so exhausted.
Yeah, I'm very tired from work today. I feel a bit dizzy.
It's okay. Just go take a shower while I make something for you to eat.
Okay. Alright.
Just go. Jesus, not again. Hi! Obinna! Jesus. Obinna! Get up. What are his chances?
Very slim. Yes. Considering his last relapse, I'm afraid he will make it.
He will make it. Doctor, he will make it. Just say it. Please.
You see, I'm just trying to be realistic here. In fact, let me just tell you. If you need, or maybe he has any secret he wants to share with you, or you to him, I believe this is the right time to do it. Because he may not live long. I'm sorry about it, but that's the fact.
Hi! 7 days. What kind of marriage is this?
I don't understand.
Listen, your husband will die in 7 days' time. And you still want to continue with the marriage? Remember, if I will advise you, trust me, this marriage doesn't want it.
Why are you sounding so unfair? No, why? Is it his fault that he's sick? Is it his fault that he's going to die from his sickness? I don't understand you.
It's not his fault. But such is life. And it's not yours either. Just let him go. Please.
Thank you very much for your advice. But I will never abandon Obinna now.
What?
Not at this point. I am going to stick with him.
Wait. Can I remind you that your wedding is ending of this month? And the doctor said that he won't live to that date.
Then I will change the date.
Is it again?
I will move it forward. Because I will marry Obinna, dead or alive.
Please have a rethink now, because I supported this love of a thing, but hey, dying young, no now. You deserve better.
Mom, I've always known you to be a strong woman. Now is the time for you to be strong for your man. He needs you now the most, Mom.
How am I supposed to plan a wedding in 7 days? How? How?
Mom, I don't know why I still refuse to believe what this doctor said. I don't.
I don't believe it either. But if there is any chance that what the doctor said is going to happen, then I want to be Obina's wife before he dies. I don't believe he's going to die. I don't believe it at all. I don't believe it. Just that I am so sad and I am a bit confused.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. All hope is not lost yet. Let us keep hoping on God. Let's lay it on His shoulder. I believe God will do His wonders. Okay, stop crying. Crying is not going to solve it all. Let us keep hoping and praying to God.
Why did you leave that place? Eh? Why?
Babe, I'm tired. My body hurts. My bones. I'm so tired today. I'm exhausted from all the blood games and everything.
I understand. I understand how painful the treatment is. But please, you need to fight. You need to fight for us. You need to fight for us that love you so much. Please. I have also decided to move the wedding forward. Yes, we're going to get married, even if it means doing it here in the hospital ward.
The Bible says he will find it a wife, find it a good thing, and obtain favor from God. Miss Mercy Nwachukwu, do you take Mr. Obina Eric here as your beloved husband, in sickness and in health, in riches and in poor, till death do you part?
I do.
Mr. Obina Eric, do you take Miss Mercy Nwachukwu here as your beloved wife, in sickness and in health, in riches and in poor, till death do you part?
Yes, I do.
You are now husband and wife. You may now kiss,
I was lost in a love I thought was true, but the moment I met you, my heart just flew.
bless this union in the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Now I'm ready to risk it all for you. This feeling is stronger than I ever known. In your eyes, I feel I'm home. You are the one I want, the one I crave. I'll climb mountains,
Obinna! No!
just to
Doctor, please! Obinna! No! Help me! Doctor! He's not breathing! He's not breathing!
Mr. Obinna!
Doctor!
Hey. How are you? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh God. It's okay. What's the situation? You see.
But he made it.
Hey, thank God. Hey, thank God. He made it. Thank God. Thank God. This is good news. Let's go inside and see him. I'm tired. I know. God will strengthen you more, my friend. I'm so happy you made it. Good morning.
Babe. Good morning.
Your breakfast is here.
Oh, I didn't know I slept this long.
You actually need it. I wouldn't even have bothered waking you up if not that. You need to take your medication, okay? Alright. Here.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Just joking.
Alright, so I'll be right back.
Have you had yours?
Not yet. I have a lot of things to do. But don't worry about me. Just make sure you take your medicine. You know the doctor says you have to take it early in the morning.
I've heard you. Thank you, doctor.
Babe.
Hey.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
No, please. Tell me you are joking.
Babe, I already took my meds, so I feel better. I just need to get to the office.
You are not going to work. No.
Babe,
you are not strong enough to go to the office.
Babe, come on, please now. I need to go to the office. I mean, we've spent a lot on hospital bills. Now my meds and everything. Please, I have to work. We need to eat.
I know. We don't even have enough to eat, honestly.
Exactly.
But no, but
okay, just
listen. You are the sick one here. Please, I'll go. I'm not even hearing anything you're saying right now. Let me go. I mean, if I make any money today, I will use it to buy drugs and
some food stuff.
That will be stressing you. Let me just...
I need you alive. You might think you are strong, but you are not. You're feeling this way because you just took medication. And after medication, you're supposed to rest, not go to work. Please, no. You're not going to work. I'll go, don't worry. I'll make a little money and it will go a long way, please. Chibum, do you want to kill me?
Okay.
Please.
Hey.
I was crossing and I noticed that your door is open. So I started to come in and know what is going on. Well, it feels good to have you back.
Thank you.
It's been long you left us. I almost thought we've lost you.
Well, good thing is I'm okay. I'm here. Thank God.
May His name be praised. And what did the doctor say?
Well, nothing really. I feel better. I'm sure God kept me alive for a purpose.
And which is?
To get married to my wife.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm honestly happy for you, bro.
So what's been happening?
Well,
Bring me up to speed.
A lot has been happening.
Babe. Babe. Babe.
Babe, you're here.
Yeah, I'm here. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Babe. Come on, you know I will not take nothing for an answer. You look so worried. What is happening?
Yes, I'm actually worried.
Babe, talk to me. What is it? You're getting me all worked up.
I mistakenly burnt a client's clothes while I was ironing it. I honestly do not know what to do. I'm not feeling good about it. And
it's okay. This outfit, is the material replaceable? I mean, can you buy it?
Yes, I can buy it, yes.
Then I'll give you some money. You replace it. Hey, come on, it's okay. Shh. It's okay. What is getting you all worked up? You know I don't like seeing you worried. I'll put this in my face. It's okay. I love you. Babe. Babe. Babe.
Yeah. Oh, babe, you're here.
I've been calling you, you're not answering me. Are you okay? Yeah.
There is something I want to ask you.
Okay.
And I need you to be very honest with me. Please.
Are you really okay? Do you feel pain in any part of your body?
Just a little pain here and there. Babe, what's going on?
Is it serious? Is it excruciating? Do you have shortness of breath? Maybe your heart is aching.
Calm down. Okay, I'm fine. I know I'll be okay by the special grace of God. So, don't get all worried. What is it?
I wasn't worried about a customer's cloth like I told you earlier. I'm actually worried about the dream my daughter had about you.
A dream? Why would you be worried about a dream?
I don't even know. I mean, not like her dream comes to pass, but I just can't shake it off my mind. I'm just...
It's okay. Hey, look at me. I am going to be fine. Okay? Nothing is going to happen to me. I'm going to be here with you.
My friend. How are you? I'm okay. How are you doing now? I got us lunch.
I'm just trying to rush home, honestly. I'm trying to see if I can just close and rush home.
Home?
By this time? Wait, I don't understand. I've been calling my husband since and he hasn't been picking. Let me go to the house and look for him. If he's not there, I'll go to his office. Because I don't understand. Zuike, babe.
Your husband might be busy.
What kind of... how can he be so busy that he will not pick my call? Mba, you fed in a busy.
Just tell me you want to go and do legi.
Anyway, you know when you have something new, you want to utilize it well. But even though, he's supposed to pick my call.
Madam, you don't walk yourself up and beg. He's just busy.
So you said you brought food.
Ona asim, it's not, you brought food. Come and go home, Biko.
You know come go home. Chero, you are very wicked though. No, I know. I'm going to say now. You are very wicked. Bring food because I'm not going home again.
Oh, by force.
Bring the food now.
I want to go from my husband in my Zukwanike. Oh yeah, bribe me.
Bring food. You this girl.
Yeah.
You this girl.
Plantain.
Are you serious?
Your favorite now.
You will never know that.
I'm gonna for you before.
This is it. No, I'm going home to check on him. If he's not there, I'll go to the office. Haba, what has he been doing since morning that he has refused to take my calls? Haba, no. No.
Sister, his organs have started failing due to cancer metastasis.
I don't understand.
Okay, let me explain. You see, when cancer has been in the system for a long time, untreated, it will begin to go through all the other organs and begin to affect them. In fact, the stage of your husband's situation right now is in the hand of God, who can heal initially.
I was lost in a love I thought was true, but the moment I met you, my heart just flew. Caught in a web of what I knew.
My body hurts.
It's okay.
I've been so much pain.
Nothing will happen to you. Okay? You'll be fine.
You are the one I want, the one I crave. I'll climb the mountains, cross the waves, just to have you here. As worth the fight in your arms, I swear everything feels right. You are the one I want, the one I crave. I'll climb the mountains, cross the waves, just to have you here. It's worth the fight. In your arms, I swear everything feels right. I was lost in a love I thought was true, but the moment I met you, my heart just flew. Caught in a web of what I knew. Now I'm ready to risk it all for you. This feeling is stronger than I ever known. In your eyes, I feel I'm home.
We are all gathered here to sympathize with the families of the bereaved. The Bible says in all situations we should give thanks to God. And we pray that the good Lord will give the family the fortitude to bear the loss. Dust we all came, and dust we shall all return. He giveth and he taketh. We also pray that may his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Cross the waves, just to have you here. It's wonderful. In your arms, I swear everything feels right. was lost in a love I thought was true. But the moment I met you, my heart just flew. Caught in a web of what I knew. Now I'm ready to risk it all for you. This feeling is stronger than I ever know.